Hello, good morning everyone. Myself Sudeep. I am here to give a brief explanation about natural language processing, which is an field, which is an subject which combines of information engineering, computer science, as well as artificial intelligence. It is an field of artificial intelligence where uh, it is the computer or the algorithm mostly focuses in understanding and responding to the natural languages or the natural activities which a human does, like speech, text, uh, facial recognition, emotion recognition, intent recognition, and various other aspects. Now, if you go in deep into natural language processing, it can be done into two ways. One is rule based, and another is statistical methods. Now, the rule based methods, which now the ru- now the rule based methods, if we describe it in a bit, then it is a way in which it follows the decision tree algorithm, where it has strict if then conditions, where to for any prediction to be made of any wording, so which has to be done. It has strict if then else statements, where and in order to make increase the accuracy, or in order to make the system more complex, we need to add more and more if then else statement, which in all total makes the algorithm lots and lots of complex. Another method is the statistical methods, where the algorithm learns to predict the data from a huge corpus of data. Now, corpus of data, it can be anything, like it can be subtitles from Hollywood movies or writings from Shakespeare, and by training upon that data, the algorithm will learn how to make proper prediction. Now, here is an historical timeline of the various advancement which has been made in this field. This natural language processing started with in 1950s, when Alan Turing published a famous paper called Computer Science and Intelligence, Computer Machinery and Intelligence, where he asked a question that can a machine fool a human by uh, making it believe that it is communicating with another human when the machine is communicating via teleprinter or via computer. Uh, this Turing test is still followed in the industry standards, and it is an important aspect. After 1950, after the Alan Turing paper, a lot of advancement came in NLP until 1980s, when the statistical models started to grow, and the statistical models started to give more accurate and more precise results rather than the rule based methods, because here, in order to just improve the accuracy in a statistical model, we just have to increase the data so that the algorithm can learn more features and give more appropriate answers. Now, here I want to explain something about BERT, that is bidirectional encoder representation from transformer. This is an open source, which is open source NLP fully trained pre-training uh, process, which has been recently released by Google AI developers. Here, the term bidirectional means that in order to make any prediction for any word, the algorithm will not only look for the number of words which are before that particular word, but it as well as it also takes into account the words which are after that particular word, so it gives more appropriate results. And apart from that, it consists of two system: an encoder and a decoder. An encoder which reads the text from the input, and a decoder which predicts the particular text which has to be the output. In the paper I have also mentioned that uh, to in the paper I have also mentioned in a diagram of the encoder. And NLP is a particular domain where a lot of work is currently done, and more work is yet to be done in the coming years to come. And uh, BERT is a new technology which is released by Google and having a good impact. Thank you.